Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wabarakatuh. Evening Zain, Yes, Henny Usmatullah Sana is the teacher from the teacher structure and my friend. Okay, today I'm a moderator. I will introduce to you that my name is Muhammad Kamil, and me Ari from group 4, and my friend is the first is Wirun Desa, and then Putri Mawiro, R.A. Akwina, Kartika, and then Muhammad Nafiki, and Muhammad Isan, and okay, our group is explains about adverb clause, what is the adverb clause, and what the function, and maybe will explain for my friend. Okay, thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anita Septiana, and I'm going to explain about adverb clause. Do you know adverb clause? Adverb clause is a group of words that function as an adverb in a sentence. The clause describes first adverb and adjective. In general, adverb clause add information that elaborates on when, where, why, how much, or under what condition in sentence take place.
Okay, next I will explain about the position of verb clause. A verb clause can be placed at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. When placed at the beginning or in the middle, they really comma the offset them for the rest of the sentence.
Clause markers of adverb clause is after, as soon as, once, even if, in case, as if, fact that, before, while, although, by the time, so that, as though, only if, in spite of, as, when, while, even though, so that, where, unless, the fact that, until, since, though, because, such that, wherever, provided, as long as, whenever, whereas, in order that, so, everywhere, despite the. That is clause markers of adverb clause.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Mawiro, and now I want to explain about type of adverb clauses. There are 8 types of adverb clauses, and I will explain 2 of them. First, adverbial clause of time. Adverbial clause of time is refers to when an action takes place. For example, I always take a bath before I go to bed. In this sentence, the clause markers is before, and the adverbial clause of time is before I go to bed. This sentence is adverbial clause of time in middle of sentence. Second, adverbial clause of place. Adverbial clause of place is refers to where an action takes place. For example, this is the place where I was born. In this sentence, clause markers is where, and the adverbial clause of place is where I was born. This sentence is adverbial clause of place in middle of sentence. Thank you.
I'm Fardanisa. I would like to continue the explanation. It is about adverbial clause of manner. Adverbial clause of manner refers to how an action takes place or how something happens, and it is usually begin with like, as though, or as if. Example of it is, he taught me like I was child. He taught me like I was child. Adverbial clause here, like I was child. So here explain that how he talked to me. He talked to me like I was child. Is adverbial clause of reason. Adverbial clause of reason tell us the reason for action of the verb expressed, or explain the reason for the main idea. We often use it to explain the reason why something happened or why someone does it. And the subordinators of adverbial clause are cause, seen, as, in case, for saying that, as long as, with, what with, in that, and while. For the example is, I sing because I like sing. So here, explain why I do it. I sing because I like singing. Another example is, I lent him the book because he needed it. The next is adverbial clause of condition. Adverbial clause of condition usually state the condition the verb of the main clause stipulates. This tell us about the circumstance under which something happens. The clause often begin with if, unless, or provided. For example, if I had not eaten spicy fried rice last night, my stomach would not have gotten sick. Or another example is, I only watch TV if my favorite show is on. I only watch TV if my favorite show is on. Or another example is, you can play the game provided you follow the rules. So this states the condition of the verb, the main clause.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is R.A. Aguina Krisantika Novianti, and I will continue the explanation about types of adverb. The first is I will explain about adverb of concession, adverbial clause of concession. So the definition, adverbial clause of concession is usually states that which we admit or acknowledge in the main clause. In here, we can use subordinating conjunction though, although, even, while, and whereas. The example, I will give the example about adverbial clauses of concession. You can see in the PowerPoint, Jenny will go to school, although today is heavy snowy. From the sentence, we know that today is heavy snowy, but Jenny still go to school. So it is adverbial clause of concession, and the position of clause is in the middle of the sentence. And the second is adverbial clause of purpose. Actually this is easy. The definition is adverbial clause of purpose is tell us the purpose of the action the verb takes. So it means the purpose of something. Like the example, you can see again in the PowerPoint, she wants to study in England so that she can perfect her English. Based on the sentence, we know that she wants to study in England. The purpose is to perfect her English. The purpose is to perfect her English, so that she wants to study in England. So this is the adverbial clause of purpose. And the position of clause in the middle of the sentence, so that. The third is adverbial clause of degree of comparison or comparison. Usually indicates degree, that is the relative extent or the comparison of the verb in the main independent clause. We have to know that comparison of degree have two types. Actually have three types, but in here we use two types: comparative degree and superlative degree. Like an example, you can see in the PowerPoint, again, she is older than her husband. Older than. Adverbial clause of comparison, in here we use comparative degree, older than. And clause, the position of clause in the middle of sentence. And then there is an example again. She is as intelligent as her sister. The adverbial clause is in the middle of sentence. So in this sentence, we use degree of comparison in superlative. Actually, the example is wrong in the PowerPoint. The example is the correct one is she is the most intelligent in her class, maybe. So based on the sentence, this is example of adverbial clause in superlative, and the conjunction located in the middle of sentence.
Okay, thank you very much. That's our group for group 4, and maybe there is the question for mine too, if you wanna ask, and maybe this is for me. And terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.